Hello and welcome to A Colourful Life with Helen Alice Johnson, me. I am in the biscuit factory in Newcastle. I was dropping some paintings off, so I thought it was a good excuse to have a look round. The exhibition is in the biscuit room, and that is off Bermondsey Street, just kind of around the back of the biscuit factory. It's a huge space to fill, as you'll see. Here are some of the paintings that I'll be exhibiting. Thanks ever so much for watching. It would be amazing if I saw you on the 6th of February, 6 p.m. till 10 p.m. It's a one night only event. Don't miss it.